Hello guys, I found a very simple and effective way to create the tabs in the product page, and this snippet can be added to any of the Shopify theme. So here you can see we have tabs, and we can arrange the position of the tabs by just drag and drop. So here you can see we have updated the info to the first place, and let's refresh the page, and you can see info is now on the first place. So we can rearrange the position by just drag and drop. So let me show you how we can achieve this result. First of all, we have to create a meta field named as tabs, where we will be using the list of meta objects, and we have created a meta object named as tab. We have created the uh, meta object named as tab. Let me show you the definition of that tab, and here we can see in the meta objects we have created the definition of this tab meta object, and we are adding and content title and content. We can update it according to our needs. So here you can see we have title and content, and these are also coming from the titles. So we have added the title and content. This UID is used to basically identify the uh, meta objects into the list of meta objects. Let me show you. So when we try to add a new meta object, like here you can see we see the list of meta objects. So to identify uniquely a meta object, we have appended the name of product title. You can add any you can try SKU or any other unique identifier to identify that which meta object belongs to which object. So for example, in the content, you can see the meta objects right here. In the all the meta objects, we can see we have 6 entries for the tab. So we have info 2 times, and shipping 2 times, and similarly description and description 2 times. So name can be same, so title can be same. Let me show you. Here we can see we have title, content, and UID. We have to use this UID to uniquely identify a tab. So we can see that this UID is visible on the front. So from by looking at the UID, we can see that this is the info of the draft snowboard, and this is the info of selling plans ski wax. So if we update from here, we can update the title, we can update the information right here. We can also add some other fields according to our needs. So let's see, if we try to add another field into uh, the list of these tabs, we can add a new entry, and we can add USP. We can append the title of that object as a unique identifier here, and update the title to USP, and the content for USPs will go here, and just save, and go to the front end, and here refresh the page. Okay, it is taking some time. It will be updated in a few moments. Mm, the we have 4 tabs right now. Okay, let's save again, and refresh the page. It is taking some time. Let me see if we added. Okay, the draft snowboard, the product is same. it takes some time. Okay, here we can see we have information, description, shipping, and USP. So you can add these uh, titles uh, all natively to the Shopify, and you can also drag and drop to update the location. So let me show you the script, the snippet that I created. So here you can see only these lines of code. So you can render this snippet by first of all you will have to create the tabs. First of all you will have to create the mm, meta fields named as tabs, product metafield definition, and then we'll have to create a meta object definition name as tab. So here you can see we are looping through all the tabs, metafield tabs, and in the tab we are in the tab we'll be getting uh, each tab right here. This each will be getting each tab, and from here we'll be rendering the tab title, and this is used for this will be used to create the uh, header, this navigation of the tabs, and this div will be used to create the this div will be used to create the title and content of the tab, and this script down here will be used to create the to switch the tabs between one another, and you can update the styles according to your needs. And to use this snippet I have you can just render anywhere into the product template, or you can create a block named as tabs, and after that, okay, let me search for the tabs right here. I have created the tabs, product tabs, and this block into the product template, and we will be able to drag and drop the, okay, let me show you. We will be able to drag and drop this block into the product template. Let me show you in the product. I've created a separate uh, tabs template. Here you can see we have product tabs. We can drag and drop depending upon our needs. So I hope this helps. Thank you.